Apprenticeships at Logic4training are for those who are aged 19 plus and are looking to get into the building services and to learn a trade. They're also for people who may have pursued a different career path and are looking to retrain and rescale in something new. To begin with, we'll be offering apprenticeships in domestic gas installation and also in smart metering. Apprenticeships are beneficial because it's a paid job. Apprentices spend at least 20% of their time here at Logic4training training with us, and the rest of the time in their workplace putting the skills and knowledge that they've learned to use. It's a great opportunity to earn whilst you learn. At Logic4training, we'll be offering what's called a block release method, where apprentices will come and train with us for at least 1 to 2 weeks at a time. Here, they'll learn new skills and key knowledge to take back to the workplace to implement there to gain fluency and confidence ready for their endpoint assessments. Apprenticeships are funded through what's called the Apprenticeship Levy. So employers who have a large pay bill of around £3 million plus per year automatically pay into this levy. So their apprenticeship training is funded by using these funds. For smaller employers, they pay just 5% towards the cost of the apprenticeship training and the government covers the rest. For those small employers that don't pay into the levy, if their apprentice is aged between 19 to 21 years old at the start of their training, the government will fund the whole cost of the apprenticeship. For more information, or if you're interested, please have a look around our website at the relevant pages to you. If you've got any questions, please feel free to fill in the contact form and get in touch with us and we'll get back to you.